smell this. This is a wonderful restaurant. When you're in Istanbul, you should try this. We have grilled chicken over charcoal and a little vegetable over there. And
Kebab dish.
kebab.
Chicken kebab.
Chicken kebab. Wow. And look at all this chicken. Merhaba.
Very nice.
Wow. Check this out. When you're in Istanbul, you have to check this restaurant out.
Chicken.
Oh, look at this chicken over here.
Yeah.
I can smell it. And
Quail.
well,
Yes. My friend, chicken best of best.
I can tell. All right.
Best of best. Best of
What's
best.
the name of this restaurant?
My restaurant name is Tat 7.
Okay.
European Tat 7.
We just had a meal here and it is wonderful. Wow, wow. Very good chef.
Very good.
Very good chef. Thank you.
Chef.
Very good chef.
Master chef.